Hey guys, welcome back to Revision Chronicles. Hope you all are doing great. This is Rahim here. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of a Timex watch. So this watch is from the Timex Expedition series and the model number of the watch is TW00MF105 and the MRP of this watch is 4,495 rupees. But the good news is we get this watch on Flipkart and Amazon for 2000 to 2500 rupees, guys. So let's do a quick unboxing. So it is, so it comes with a steel box and this is the watch, and yeah, this is the watch. This is the cushion. And apart from the watch, we have this quick manual. Yeah, it's a very big pamphlet. Yeah, well guys, so under 2000 rupees we get a watch that has an analog and a digital feature, and it's a 2000 rupees watch from a good reputed brand of Timex. So well guys, so this is how the entire watch looks like. Yeah. Let's remove this dial cover now. Yes, so it's a beautiful analog plus digital watch. If you speak about the dimensions, the lug to lug of this watch is 38 mm and the white diameter is around 30 mm. So it has a rotating bezel that rotates one directional, that is anti-clockwise. You can see here. Now it has 4 push buttons to adjust the time and digital features of this watch, and it has a crown here for adjusting the time. You can see here. Yeah. So this is the back side of the watch that says it's a Timex CR2016L and it's water resistant up to 50 meters. So that's a good feature as well during the rainy seasons, and it's a stainless steel back. Yeah, if we speak about the strap, it's a synthetic leather strap. It has Expedition printed here and Timex printed here, if you can see. Yeah. So overall quality of the strap is okay for the price point, and it has a standard buckle lock as well. It's a very light-weighted watch, and this watch is a very old series of Timex, maybe from 20 years back. Well guys, now let's see the detailing of this dial. So we have 24 hours markers around the dial, and 3 hands we have: hours, minutes and seconds. The seconds hands is in a golden color, and all 3 hands have the looms there. At 12 o'clock we have a Timex Expedition written, and at 6 o'clock position we have Indiglo and WR 50 meters. So we have this 4 pushers, that is for alarm, setting, this is the mode, and this is the Indiglo. And we also have a digital screen for this watch that makes this watch more famous even in this price point. The most interesting part of this watch is this Indiglo light. So let's see how the light glows. Yeah, this is how the light glows, and looks very good. And if you press this for 3 seconds, the light is gonna be there standard. Yeah. And if you want to adjust the time for analog, so this one is very commonly known, so this is used. And setting this digital time we need to use this buttons, that is the mode one and the alarm set and Indiglo buttons to set the time, and even this has an alarm feature. So definitely we need to use this description paper and the settings paper which was with the box to make these things happen. Well guys, like we discussed, it also has a rotational bezel. So this bezel is also a good looking bezel and it rotates very well, and the quality of this bezel is also good, and it is also useful for the direction where we see west, east, north and south. So it can be used whenever we want to find the coast we are in. So this will be very helpful as well. Well guys, let's wear this watch and see how it feels like. So this is how the watch looks like, guys. So it's a very small dialed watch and it's very light weighted on the hand, but it looks very good and decent. Well guys, if we see the final recommendation of this watch, so this watch is very good for the daily use, and especially this is for the students, as it is a good looking watch that covers analog digital features and also the alarm for this. So this is a great value for money watch for students, and it has a good quality used to the price point. And definitely guys, the green color gives a nice fashion statement for youngsters as well. Well, that's it for today guys, and if you like this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me but also helps the channel to grow. Well, until then guys, keep watching Revision Chronicles. We'll come back soon with more exciting videos on this channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe and keep rocking. Bye bye guys.